In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a poll on Slack in 2025. First things first, you need to launch the Slack desktop app or open Slack in your preferred web browser. Once you have Slack open, go ahead and log into the workspace where you intend to create your poll. It's important to be in the right workspace as this is where your poll will be shared and accessed by the people involved. Next, you need to decide where you want to post your poll. If you're looking to gather responses from a wider audience, you might want to post your poll in a channel like #teamupdates, which allows anyone in that channel to participate. On the other hand, if your poll is intended for a more focused group or a specific individual, you can choose to post it directly in a direct message or DM. Choosing the right venue for your poll is crucial for collecting the appropriate feedback you need. Now let's get into the specifics of creating your poll. In the message box within your chosen channel or DM, type the command poll. This command is the trigger that starts the poll creation process. You would typically follow the poll command with the syntax. Poll your question, option 1, option 2, option 3, and so on. After you've set up your poll question and options, press enter to initiate the poll. At this point, you have the opportunity to configure your poll. Depending on the poll app you're using within Slack, you might have several options to customize your poll further. You can select options like anonymous voting if you want participants to vote without anyone knowing their choices. You also have the flexibility to make the poll multiple choice, allowing users to select more than one option if applicable. Furthermore, setting a closing date and time for your poll ensures that it remains open only for a specified period. This is especially useful for polls related to time-sensitive decisions or upcoming meetings. When you're satisfied with the setup of your poll, simply press enter again to send it. The poll will then appear in the selected channel or DM, ready for your team members to provide their input directly within Slack. Participation is seamless and encourages engagement as it all happens in one place. Finally, it's important to know how to handle the results of your poll. Most Slack poll apps provide real-time results so you can monitor responses as they come in. If you need to finalize the results, you have the option to close the poll. Moreover, should you require a report or further analysis, many poll apps allow you to export the results for detailed review. This concludes our guide on creating a poll in Slack in 2025. Thanks for watching and happy polling!